Welcome back to another video. I'm going to remind you to follow me on Instagram at mama_panda4517 and add me on Snapchat at sexymexy. And if you like my videos, click the notification bell. That way every time I upload a new video, you will be notified right away. Welcome back to another video. I'm Mama Panda and we're going to do something a little different today. I'm going to do an unboxing video of the iPhone 11 Pro. This is 512 gigabytes. And just right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that this is really heavy. Like, I could be just the box, but to me, this is just really heavy. And I hope it's not huge, because my hand is pretty small and what am I going to do with a phone that I can't fit in my hand? But this is the first iPhone that I've ever owned. Did you hear me? Ever owned. I know you're probably shaking in your boots. I've only owned Android, and I honestly do live by Android because you don't have to worry about updating all the time. There's more storage space. You don't have to pay extra for more storage space. I don't know. I've never owned an iPhone, but I've had iPods. Don't come for me, but let's unbox this. I can't hold iPhone.
That's going in the video.
It's not that much of a difference.
But iPhone is bigger.
So here is the Galaxy box. And this box, folds up, it opens up, and then there's all this stuff in here. The box is not as fat as the iPhone and not as tall. This one, it's open, you guys, it's open. To my first iPhone! Yeah, for better quality for YouTube videos. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm exposing myself. Exposed. All right, enough of that. It does have a hard, what is this called? This glass?
Hard glass.
It does have like a tempered glass. It doesn't come with the phone. You have to get it on your phone. Hold on. I'm going to show the back. So this is the gray one. And I'm already like loving it because the back is matte. It's matte and just the apple is what's shiny. So it's like a little mirror where you can expose yourself and how ghetto you are.
Red one's better.
You fucking ass. 3 cameras.
A stove.
You just got a little stove action on there. Which I'm really excited about this because I was watching videos of like how the picture quality is on here, and I'm pretty excited to test it out. And we have an OtterBox case, and it's pop socket.
Everybody complains about the pop socket coming off of the OtterBox, so OtterBox made what is called now the OtterPop.
Sponsor me. Just kidding. Pop sockets tend to fall off a lot, and this is just actually perfect because it's built in to the case and it closes and it's literally just flat. So This is amazing. And it's called Otter Pop. And this one, I like this one. It's like marble. I like it. It's nice. All right, now for the phone. We gotta test this camera out. We have to take a couple pictures. We're gonna look a little cute on our new iPhone. It's happening. It's turning on. I do have to set up the phone. So, like, I mean, I've never had an iPhone. I'm pretty sure I've had an Apple ID.
I haven't had iPhones since iPhone 4.
Got a couple messages. Hello?
Hi, I'm Siri. How can I help you?
I have my own Siri, bitches!
I don't know how to respond to that.
She a little dumb or whatever. But that's fine. Because she don't know how to respond to what I say. But that's fine, Siri, because we're going to get to know each other very well. Let's do a little face recognition. Wow, that's actually really cool. Wow. Just the way it's like setting up your face recognition, it's just a lot better than the Galaxy. I don't know, it's just cooler, I guess. It's like telling me to move my face in different angles so that it can get my face recognition. There. Face ID is now set up. Create a password. I mean, I guess. Wow, it needs to be a certain length. Password options. 4-digit. Because I don't got time to be remembering 7 numbers to be putting in as a password. I would tell you guys my password, but probably not. I'm just setting up the Apple ID, and I had to create one because I was a previous Android user. But while that's signing in, let's see the context of inside. Let's see what's underneath this in our iPhone. What is this? So it has some stickers. That's pretty nice.
One of those going on my record.
That's fine. This is pretty cool. You know, a couple stickers just in case you want to pretend you have an iPhone. You just put this right over your Android logo. You can put an SD card in it. Can you do that to all iPhones? Don't come for me and don't drag me, but please tell me, let me know. I sound stupid. You can put an SD card in this, and I'm sitting here thinking that you can't. Comes with headphones. It doesn't have, this phone doesn't have a regular headphone port. So here are the headphones that it comes with. And it's literally just like the charger. So you just put it in the charger, and that's your headphones. That's actually, it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty bougie, you know, because I ain't never owned an iPhone. Alright, we're official, ladies and gentlemen. I officially have an Apple ID. Alright, now that that's set up, I really don't think that I have to do anything else. So, here's the box and the charger, which is really cool how they just, it's just, you know, organized. It's not in a little plastic baggie, just rolled up and tied together. Like, this is pretty cool. This is official. Tell me why this is a Type-C. Why does that look like my Android charger? Is this really Type-C? And that's what it is. It's Type-C, and it connects to the charger, and then this is how you charge your phone. Okay, I see you. I'm going to show the colors in this Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, because I know that I've tried to just like kind of flash the colors in this camera, and it's like it doesn't focus very well. It's not like, oh, I'm dying for it, right? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I love it. I really love it. Okay. So I'm just gonna go and pass this right along the palette, and it's focusing great. I can see everything great. Like, it doesn't even take time for it to focus. It's just right there already. It's perfect. All right, here we go. See, look, I'm having to tap the Galaxy for it to focus, but it has slow-mo, time-lapse, it has portrait facing me. See, if I want to focus on the camera, it's like, it's just a lot clearer. Obviously, you're not going to be able to see the quality on this of the phone, but I will put the clip of what I took on here on the video so you guys can see. Insert that now. Perfect. All right, let's take a video of my face, and I can already see like more detail in this picture than I can recording on this Galaxy. Like, it's, and it actually, I mean, I don't look that bad, and I can already see like more detail in this picture than I can recording on this Galaxy. Like, it's, and it actually, I mean, I don't look that bad. But yeah, this is pretty anticlimactic. I have to play a little bit more with this phone because I don't know how to use an iPhone, honestly, because, you know, it's more of a, it's not that I couldn't have an iPhone, it's more of the fact that didn't want the iPhone. I didn't want to be like everybody else. I just wanted, and then also just, it's not like I don't get the hype. But now that I record videos and stuff, like, and I do most of my editing on my phone, and I do everything on my phone, like, that's why this phone was a good idea for me. So I want to just do this unboxing, and then our next video, I will record it on this phone. Maybe we'll go out and about and, you know, look around, and we'll show you more of the quality of the picture on this phone. But thank you guys for watching, and, you know, like, subscribe, you already know. I know I wasn't very funny this video. I know that, you know, it's not what you guys were expecting, but I'm excited. And I want to get to playing with this phone. So, bye!